Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Maths Magic under Oviedo Vlogs. This is my video number 017, third part of the topic class 9 simultaneous linear equation. Today I'm going to explain the cross multiplication method. At first I'll be explaining the rule and then with an example. So let us move on to the topic. At first, that you have to do is to write the whatever equation is given in the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where x and y are the variables, a, b, c are the constants. So let us take the rules. This is the first one. I'm going to explain with the rule. So a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, these are the constants over here. Now first thing that you're going to do, hide the x variables. So what is the coefficient of y? b1, b2, write one below the other. Then hide y terms, c1, c2, hide the constant terms a1, a2, and the first part you're going to write again b1, b2. See the sequence, okay? Follow this sequence only. There won't be any mistake, and you're not going to write any variable while writing these coefficients. X by cross multiply b1 with c2 and then b2 with c1. Then there will be a minus sign in between them. c1 multiplies with c2 and c2 multiplies with a1, minus sign in between them. a1 multiplies with b2 and a2 multiplies with b1 and a minus sign in between them. Now in all these three parts, the last part 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is the constant part. So you have to equate this constant with the variable part. So x we can find out by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. If you cross multiply, you will get this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then y equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the rule over here. The second last part is the mandatory one, but not the last. If you want to remember the formula, it's up to you. Let us take an example. Two equations I have taken over here. 3x equals to 4 bracket y minus 2, and another equation 1 minus 2y equals to 3 bracket x plus 2. Now as I said, you have to bring whatever equation is given to you in the standard form. And what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So let us take the first equation. 3x equals to 4 bracket y minus 2. The first step would be to multiply this 4 with the terms inside the bracket. So open the bracket first. So 3x equals to 4y minus 8. 4 into y is 4y, 4 into 2 is minus 8. And take this 4y minus 8 in the left hand side. So after 3x I have written minus 4y then plus 8. This is the equation number 1. Now let us take the second equation, that is 1 minus 2y equals to 3 bracket x plus 2. First thing that we are going to do over here is interchange the left hand side completely with the right hand side, as x is there in the right hand side. Now open the bracket. 3 multiplies with x and 2 both. So 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 2 is 6. 3x plus 6 equals to 1 minus 2y. Then take this 1 minus 2y into the left hand side. So 3x, after that is 2y, then the constant 6 minus 1. So ultimately what we get, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Now this is the second equation. Now as you can see over here, this equation number 1 and equation number 2 both are in the standard form. Now what I have done over here, to make it easier for you all to understand, I have written the equation number 1 and equation number 2 together. X below the x, y below the y, and the constant below the constant. Arrangement is very important over here. Now hide the x terms over here. What is the coefficient of y? Minus 4 and 2. Then hide the y terms. What is the next term? 8, 5. Then hide the constant. The coefficient of x is written 3, 3, and the first one, minus 4 and 2, is written at the end once again. It is forming a circle over here, as I have shown in the figure. If you remember this, it will be easier for you all to understand also. Now write down x by equals to y by equals to 1 by. Cross multiply minus 4 with 5. Write it in a bracket. Then 2 multiplies with 8. Write it in a bracket. And there will be a minus sign in between both of them. 8 multiplies with 3. Now the multiplication should be from the top to the bottom. Don't do it from bottom to the top at first. 8 into 3, then minus 5 into 3. 3 into 2 minus bracket minus 4 into 3, and there is a minus sign in between them. So minus 4 into 5 is minus 20, minus minus 2 into 8 will give you 16. So minus 20 minus 16 equals to y by 24 minus 15 equals to 1 by 6. Minus of minus will become plus, 6 plus 12. Then simplify x by minus 36 equals to y by 9 equals to 1 by 18. Now here 1 by 18 is the constant term, so let us equate the variable with the constant. X by minus 36 equals to 1 by 18 and y by 9 equals to 1 by 18. We'll cross multiply over here and get the value of x and y. So x equals to minus 36 by 18 and y equals to 9 by 18. Now 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, x equals to minus 2 we are getting, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, y equals to 1 by 2. So the final answer is x equals to minus 2, y equals to half. So this is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this was helpful for you all. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Maths Magic under OV2 Vlogs. I'll bring this kind of videos and the topics from your syllabus one by one. Wait for the updates. Thank you all of you.